Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to import tests from the Ahcs system onto the VetPal portal. So when you log into your VetPal, you will see there are three different boxes. The red box refers to completed TB tests and completed blood tests. The green box refers to any reports you wish to create for the farmer, and the blue one is for putting test files onto the VetPal portal. So the first one is TB test file upload. This is if you pull a single TB test file from Ahcs and put it onto the portal. Multiple file upload is if you create TB test export file and you select several files and you export them at once. You select this option. Here you will have private test blank file upload. This is for instances where the farmer is not a testing client, so you don't have access to the herd profile. So here you manually enter the farmer's name, surname, address, and herd number, and you create a blank file, allowing the vet to add animals as they are tested while on farm. The fourth option is private TB test Ahcs file upload, meaning that you can do a private test and you pull the Ahcs file to allow you to select animals within that herd. Today we will do TB test file upload, which is a single file. So we click here. We will click the plus, and we will then go to Ahcs. We'll go to test queues. We will click test awaiting export from Ahcs, and we click view, and then we select the single file we wish to export, which will be downloaded to the computer. Here we then click select file, and this is the file which has been put into a separate folder. Typically it will be in your downloads. So you select the file. The test name is Angus O'Leary because that's the farmer's name. Vet, you have the option of adding new vets to your system, or you can select pre-existing vets. So in this instance I'll select Pat, and then I'll click save and close. Okay. We will now do the same thing but for a private test. So we will select private test blank file upload. So in this instance we will click plus again. We will call this trial private test. Okay, so we'll have to put in the farmer's name, surname, let's put in the herd number, address. Okay, and we can select the vet again. In this case I won't select the vet because you don't know who. Just put in Pat. Okay, so then we will click save and close, which will once import and sync is selected on the app, a blank file will appear on the app at which animals can be added to the test. Okay, the last option is private TB test Ahcs file upload. So we click on this, we'll click plus to add. We'll go on to the department. What you would do here, you would click herds, and once you click herds, all the farmers will appear underneath. You select the farmer, you click list on the top, and then you click download the handheld. A full herd profile will download the computer, at which point you select it and put it in here. Okay, so this is an example of one I've downloaded earlier. Click on it, there's the farmer's name. If you don't wish to select a vet, you can just hit save and close. Okay, so now once we click import and sync, we'll have three different files. One is we've done a single TB test file. We've done a private test which are not testing clients, so on the app we will have a test file at which we will add animals to it. And we've also done a private test where the farmer, for example, has 100 animals and we can test 5 of those 100 animals, and we can upload the full profile with just 5 tested, and it will be recorded in Ahcs.